Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the change in the UX and design in Odoo 19 point of sale. So let's dive into the point of sale. From here, we can move on to the restaurant. So upon clicking on Open Register, this would allow you to open the register. And in Odoo 19, we have the option to set the table booking. So as you just move on to here, you can see that we have the opening control. So let me just open the register, and upon clicking on hash you can just enter a table number. So here you can see I would like to enter the table number 5 over here, and afterwards let me click on gem. So as I just click on gem, here you can see that we are just dining in the restaurant. So you can see this option is already enabled over here. And if you want to just add the items, you can simply add the item, and you can just make the order, like you can place the order. So I would like to add certain items from here, and here you can see we can just provide the orders upon clicking on order. In this case, you can see that the order has been placed and currently it's been booked on the table over here. Okay, now if you want to place new order, here you can see that we have new button to make the order. So let me choose new order, and here you can see that we can add the item like water, minute maid. Then I just want yeah, lunch, salmon and everything. So if I want to set a table, I can set it from here. So let me choose the set table, and if I just want to assign the table, let's say we can just assign the table over here. So I would like to set the table over here as 6. Okay, let me assign that, and here you can see that we have just assigned the order into table 6. So as you just move on to here, you can just make the payment, and here you can see it's been booked over here. Now again, let's move on to new order, and let me add a green tea, and let me set tab. So here you can see that if we can just edit order name. Now let me set bacon burger, and let's apply it over here. So once you set over here, you can see that we have edited the name, and it will be shown over here. And yeah, if you want to just make the payment and all, you can just go ahead with making the payment. Now if you want to switch into dark mode, you can also easily switch it into dark mode. So if I just want to go to the table, I can easily go to the table from the cart itself by changing the mode, or without changing the mode also you can just switch. Now let me back to the table, and here comes everything. So once the table is being filled, it will be highlighted with a green color. Otherwise, it will be indicated with a dim color. So these are the change, that is the UX change and change in design in Odoo 19. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.